starting around $9 walk 2024 Nexo in every practical sense is exchanging at $1.43 in term of its first rate with a value change of 0.62% in kind of most recent 60 minutes, which certainly is genuinely huge. Nexo truly has a truly complete market cap of $803,129,433 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $669,631. This especially makes Nexo most certainly positioning at 120 in the digital money market, which fundamentally is very huge. On the off chance that you certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Nexo cost expectation end of 2024, what will Nexo generally be genuinely worth in 2024, which generally is genuinely critical? Is Nexo a buy and large wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024, which fundamentally is very huge? Will Nexo cost outperform its untouched kind of high in an unpretentious manner? These explicitly are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future. Exhibiting how might Nexo cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, or so they essentially thought. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Nexo value sort of is supposed to cross an especially normal value level of $1.89. The normal truly least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the very current year ought to generally be $0.83, especially in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, Nexo can truly arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $2.22, which generally is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation walk 2024. The cost for Nexo in walk 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.35 and $1.53, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to in every way that really matters be around $1.49 in an every practical sense enormous way. Nexo value expectation April 2024. Concerning April 2024, Nexo cost is gauged to in every way that really matters, arrive at a practically the most reduced cost of $1.46, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Nexo cost could generally arrive at an in every way that really matters, most extreme cost of $1.61 with a typical expected cost around $1.54, which especially is very critical. Nexo value expectation May 2024. Nexo cost explicitly is supposed to basically reach between $1.54 to $1.67 in May 2024, while the truly normal cost of Nexo for the May in every practical sense stays around $1.60 Nexo value gauge June 2024. In June 2024, the especially most extreme cost for Nexo could explicitly stretch around $1.75, which fundamentally shows that besides Nexo can explicitly arrive at an exceptionally greatest value level of $2.22, which sort of is genuinely critical. Besides, the minimum cost of Nexo in June 2024 generally is $1.59 with a really normal cost of $1.64, showing how these especially are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future, exhibiting how might Nexo value sort of outperform its unsurpassed in every practical sense, high in a truly significant way. Nexo value figure July 2024. In July 2024, the especially greatest cost for Nexo could generally stretch around $0.83, or so they really thought. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in July 2024 explicitly is $1.62 with an especially normal cost of $1.68, or so they especially thought. Nexo value expectation August 2024. Nexo cost for the most part is supposed to reach between $1.65 to $1.90 in August 2024, while the very normal cost of Nexo for the August sort of stays around $1.71 Nexo value forecast September 2024. The cost of Nexo basically is somewhat anticipated to in a real sense reach at a truly least worth of $1.69 in September 2024, which truly is very huge. The Nexo cost could especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $1.97 with a typical exchanging worth of $1.75 all through 2024, showing that Nexo value estimate July 2024. In July 2024, the especially greatest cost for Nexo could basically stretch around $1.83, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value estimate October 2024. In October 2024, the kind of greatest cost for Nexo could really stretch around $2.04, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Nexo in October 2024 generally is $0.74 with an extremely normal cost of $0.80, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo value figure November 2024. The very normal cost of Nexo could go to $0.83 toward the finish of November 2024. So while the very normal exchanging cost ought to, in every practical sense, be around $0.49, which generally is genuinely critical, Nexo could explicitly be exchanging around a really greatest worth of $13 with the by and large least expected cost of $0.76. So Nexo value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024, the truly most extreme cost for Nexo could by and large stretch around $1.83, which certainly is genuinely critical. Nexo value figure December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Nexo truly is gauged to, in a real sense, be at around a kind of least worth of $1.83, which especially is very critical. The Nexo value worth can sort of arrive at an in every way that really matters limit of $0.22 with a by and large normal exchanging worth of $0.89 in USD, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. Nexo truly passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto most certainly has been somewhat diminished by 133% in its extremely current worth, especially further appearance how the Nexo cost could explicitly arrive at an essentially greatest cost of $1.61 with the genuinely normal expected cost around $1.54, which truly is genuinely critical. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the truly current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap, all things considered, is likewise down, showing how, assuming you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Nexo explicitly be really worth in 2024, which by and large is genuinely huge. From in every practical sense, most recent 7 days, the Nexo was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 362%, or so they sort of thought. Nexo sort of has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be by and large great chance to for the most part dive right in and contribute, showing how Nexo for the most part has shown extremely major areas of strength for lovely potential of late, and this could be in every practical sense great chance to truly dive right in and contribute, which sort of is genuinely huge. Nexo value estimate 2024 facts. What will truly be Nexo extremely worth in 2024 in an unpretentious manner? The Nexo cost by and large is gauged to truly arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $0.22 with kind of least cost of $0.83 toward the finish of 2024, which generally is genuinely critical. Does Nexo generally have a future, or so they thought? As far as value, Nexo basically has an exceptional genuinely potential to really arrive at new levels. So Nexo basically has a complete market cap of $803, $129,433 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $6, $669, $631, which truly is genuinely huge. It certainly is figure that Nexo will increment in esteem in a quite huge way. As per certainly unambiguous specialists and business experts, Nexo can raise a ruckus around town the greatest cost of $75.91 till 20.